In this tutorial, you'll learn how to resize an image while maintaining its aspect ratio using Gimp. First, open the File menu and select Open to import your image into Gimp. Next, choose your desired image file from the list so you can begin editing. Enable the fixed aspect ratio option in the settings to ensure your image maintains its proportions while resizing. Now, explore the Layer and View menus to access more editing tools. If needed, toggle the Show Selection checkbox to clearly see the area you'll be resizing. Then, make sure the fixed aspect ratio option is enabled to lock the proportions as you adjust your selection or resize the image. Finally, choose the foreground color if you need to add borders or fill areas during your resizing steps. You've now seen how to resize images by aspect ratio in Gimp.